What if I told you that you can create fun animated children's stories for free using AI? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create engaging animated stories without spending a dime, just your time. So, let's get started. First, head over to meta.ai and sign up for a free account. We'll be using it to generate our script, along with detailed prompts for the images. You can start by asking for animated story ideas, or if you already have one in mind, simply request a full script with detailed image prompts for each scene. Feel free to modify the script however you like. Once it's ready, it's time to create the visuals. You don't need to switch to another platform. Meta lets you generate both images and videos right here. Just copy an image prompt into the box and click Imagen. You'll get 4 image options. At this stage, you can customize the output by adjusting the aspect ratio or exploring different styles. There are plenty to choose from: cyberpunk, kawaii, etc. You can change the mood, lighting, and colors. I like the style of these results, so I'll just change the aspect ratio and regenerate. You have the option to animate all 4 images or select just one to animate. You can use a prompt or leave it empty. I'll animate all of them. Repeat this process for each scene in your story. Just keep in mind, the animations usually use the same camera motion and don't include much character movement, even if you prompt for it. Once you're finished, download the videos and images you want to use. The videos are 4 seconds long, low resolution, and include a watermark. The images also have a watermark. You can also use Imagen 3 to create images in Gemini or ImageFX, both of which are free. For this video, I'll use ImageFX. Just enter your prompt. Adjust the settings if needed, and click Create. It generates 4 images at a time. I wasn't happy with the first batch. Some of the text was off, so I re-rolled the prompt. The second set looked much better. Unlike Meta's images, these don't include a watermark. Make sure to download the images you want to use. The videos from Meta are decent, especially for a free tool. But if you're looking for higher quality and more dynamic animation, you can try Veo 2, which is also free. Just head over to Google AI Studio and click Video Gen. On the right sidebar, you'll find options for aspect ratio, number of results, video duration, and negative prompts. To begin, upload your image by clicking here. You can enter a prompt if you want, but it's optional. I kept the prompt simple. For example, the animals are playing in the water. These examples show how Veo produces higher quality, more dynamic results compared to Meta, and Veo's videos are also twice as long, giving you more room for visual storytelling. On the other hand, Meta videos tend to generate faster. Also, at least at the time of making this tutorial, Meta didn't seem to have any generation limits, unlike Veo, where you'll run into rate limits. Additionally, Veo currently doesn't support uploading images with children. In these examples, I used the image-to-video tool, but you can also use text-to-video by simply entering the same prompts you used to generate the images. Just make sure to include any actions you want to see and camera movement instructions. Here are a few clips I created using that method. I'm not exactly sure where Google stores the videos. One appeared in my Google Drive, but not all of them. So to be safe, make sure to download your video right after it's generated. Next, let's create the voiceover. TTS OpenAI is a free text-to-speech tool with high-quality voices, but you will need to create an account first. Once you're in, simply paste your script into the box. If it's a long script, it's best to break it into smaller sections. Long text can sometimes cause the speech to drag or lose clarity. To choose your voice, go to the right panel. You can pick from OpenAI voices or system voices. If you'd like to create your own custom voice, that's also possible, but it requires a paid upgrade. Click Sample to preview any voice, then click the one you want. You can also adjust the speed and quality settings before generating. When you're happy with your setup, click Create Speech. If the result sounds good, make sure to download it. You can find all your generated audio under History, but keep in mind, files are automatically deleted after 30 days, so don't forget to save anything you want to keep. If you'd like to add music or sound effects, the YouTube audio library is a great free resource with plenty of options to choose from. If you see a CC icon for a track, that means you will have to give attribution in the video description. Once you've gathered all your assets, it's time to edit your video. Capcut is a free tool you can use either on your computer or directly through their website. Start by uploading all your video clips, voiceovers, music, and sound effects, then arrange them in the correct order on the timeline. Make sure your visuals line up with the audio. You can trim clips, adjust their speed, and add transitions to keep everything flowing smoothly. If you're using background music, make sure it doesn't overpower the voiceover by adjusting the volume. For this video, I want the music to play loudly during the first clip, then fade to a lower volume for the rest. To do this, I'll use keyframes. Click on the audio clip and position the play line where you want to add the keyframe. In the right-hand panel, under the basic settings, click the diamond icon to add a keyframe. You'll need at least two, one to set the starting volume and another for the reduced volume. Each keyframe appears as a diamond on the audio track, and you can move them around as needed to fine-tune the transition. Once you're done, go here to export the video. And here's the final result.
As the sun sets and the last visitors leave, the zoo gates creak shut. But for the animals inside, the night is just beginning. Every night, the animals gather beneath the old banyan tree for a secret meeting. Tonight, Leo the lion unrolls a map. Their plan: to find the legendary moon fruit hidden beyond the zoo's walls. With teamwork and giggles, the animals sneak past the sleeping zookeeper and escape through a secret tunnel. Beyond the fence, the city sparkles like treasure waiting to be explored. In the heart of the city, they ride the bus, dance in fountains, and marvel at glowing signs. For one magical night, the zoo animals get to live like city folk. At last, they reach the rooftop garden where the moon fruit glows bright. Together, they pick one, knowing it's not about treasure, but about sharing an adventure with friends. And as the first rays of sunlight rise, the animals return to their enclosures, dreams of their adventure still glowing in their hearts. Tomorrow, the zoo will wake again, but only they will know the secret of the night. Every night holds a new adventure, and tomorrow, who knows where the animals will go next.
The final video turned out great, and the best part? I made it in under a day using only free AI tools. Everything you saw can be done at zero cost, making this a perfect way to start your own YouTube channel without spending a dime. I highly recommend jumping in while these tools are still free. There's no guarantee they'll stay that way forever. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos where I'll cover even more powerful and free AI tools you can start using today. And feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or questions. Thank you for watching.